The WooCommerce Attribute Swatches plugin from Iconic allows you to configure the way attributes are displayed on the product page in the front end. For example, instead of displaying a simple drop-down menu, you can display squares or colored circles indicating the color of your products for the customer to choose from. As you can see, the color picker looks great and gives a more professional touch to your WooCommerce store. Now, if you want to edit hundreds of products, you'll have to open them individually and edit them online, which is a long and tedious task. Fortunately, we want to show you how you can edit the samples of hundreds of variable products offline and then quickly import the values using the WooCommerce Product Spreadsheet plugin, which allows you to view and edit all your WooCommerce products using an intuitive spreadsheet. You can quickly make advanced searches and apply bulk changes. In addition, you can export and import products using CSV files. We'll also need to install the extension WP Sheet Editor Iconic WP Attribute Swatches, which integrates WP Sheet Editor with WooCommerce Attribute Swatches, so that all WooCommerce Attribute Swatches fields are correctly displayed in the product spreadsheet and can be easily edited. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to visit our written guide. As you can see, all your products will be shown as rows and their complete fields as columns. Also, you'll see that the spreadsheet shows all the iconic product swatches fields used by existing products. These fields will be shown as long as you have added the swatches attributes to at least one product in the normal editor. Now let's see how to export products to a CSV file to edit with Excel, Google Sheets or any CSV file editor. First, we'll open the export tool. Here, you have to select the columns you want to export. In this case, we'll export all active columns. Optionally, select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. This is an example of how the information we exported is displayed in Google Sheets. Now you only have to edit the information, which in this case we already did, and then save the file if you're working with Excel, but if you're working with Google Sheets you'll have to download the file. Once the CSV file is ready, let's import it using the import tool. Here, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Here, select to update existing items and ignore new items. Then you'll be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered into the correct product. In this case, we'll select Record ID here and ID here, and click Next to go on. Now you'll see a preview of how the info will look imported, so click here and your import process will start. In a few seconds, the updates will be imported. As you can see, importing product swatches with the Taxonomy Terms Spreadsheet plugin is really easy and fast. Definitely, WP Sheet Editor and Iconic Attribute Swatches combine perfectly to make your life easier and help you save a lot of time. Remember that in the video description, you'll find the links to download the plugin and to visit our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.